Over time, hose spigot threads can get painted over, damaged, and corroded, and the result is a leak that could be annoying and even costly. A leaky hose can run up your water bill and if not repaired can eventually cause foundational damage. If a new hose gasket is still not the answer, the only option is to replace the spigot, which can be costly and time-consuming. Currently, there is nothing available on the market to retrace and clean the unique thread pitch and diameter of a hose spigot. Until now. Introducing the Mr. Thread Cleaner from Superior Tool Company. The Mr. Thread Cleaner is a time-saving solution for plumbing professionals and DIY homeowners to repair hose spigot threads. This useful, durable, and long-lasting tool is made from high-strength, heat-treated steel and is plated for corrosion protection. This patent-pending tool has a simple design that is made with an inner diameter that is cut with the proper thread pitch and then grooved with 4 chip relief slots. The edge is sharp and repairs the threads like new. Mr. Thread Cleaner is easy to use. It's cut from a hexagonal bar that allows the user to perform its function with a wrench or standard pair of pliers. However, the easiest way to use the tool is with a 3/8 inch ratchet drive and extension. Simply attach Mr. Thread Cleaner to the ratchet drive. In a clockwise direction, start the tool onto the threads. Once resistance is felt on the tool, apply torque to the ratchet drive until the threads have been completely covered or until the threads have bottomed out inside Mr. Thread Cleaner. Then change direction on the ratchet drive and remove the tool from the threads. After the Mr. Thread Cleaner is taken off the threads, you'll see the corrosion, dirt, and debris fall away, leaving you with a hose connection that is tight and secure. The Mr. Thread Cleaner is made right here in the USA and is exclusively offered by Superior Tool Company. And like all Superior tools, it is backed by our lifetime guarantee. So whether you have damaged threads on an outdoor spigot, hot water tank hose bib, or utility tub, this time and money-saving tool is a must-have. The Mr. Thread Cleaner is a great tool for DIY homeowners, landlords, professional plumbers, campsite weekend warriors, and building maintenance personnel. So make sure to include the Mr. Thread Cleaner in your toolbox today.
Make it happen.